Hey guys, and welcome to the Akinon's YouTube channel. Let's learn how to add new columns to a data frame in Pandas. So let's get started. Before we work with adding columns, first let's learn about the data frame that we'll be working on. So I've created a simple data frame consisting of the values of the character X, having three columns of the index of range 5. So if I print this data frame, let's see how it looks. So this is a pretty simple data frame. All we have is values of X having columns A, B, C. Now let's see the first method. The first method is pretty simple. All we do is we declare a list to a column, and what we do is first create a Python list consisting of the values of the given column, and then we index that given column by creating a sliced value. Let's say I want to add the column D, so I'm putting that value D inside the close brackets, and then I'm equating it to the list that I want to add in the values, and then I'm simply printing the data frame. So it's as simple as that. So the first method gives an output something like this. So as you can see, in the first data frame there wasn't any column D. After that, the column D with its corresponding values are visible. The next method is using the data frame's insert function. So the insert function takes in many arguments. Let's see how it works around. So the first argument is the index at which the new column should be inserted. Then we have the name of the column as an argument. After that, we've got the data that needs to be put inside the data frame, and this through. Let's see what is exactly all about. First thing is, let me print the data frame. So when I print the data frame, again you can see the value of the column D is coming at index 2 since we specified that. And now let me show you the illustration of why I've written the through right over here. So let's say if I remove the through from here and I copy this and I try to add another column D of the same values and at an index, let's say 4 this time, and I do not put the through. As you can see now, if I try to run it, it gives me an error saying that the column D already exists. But now if I put in through, as you can see, it overwrites and again adds the value D irrespective of the previous value D, which means you can add duplicate columns using the through keyword. And now finally we have the last function, that is the data frame's assign method. The assign method is really simple. All we do is we inside the function call, we will write the name of the column and equate it to the Python list whose values we want to put inside the data frame. So what I've done is the name of the column is D, and that I've equated to the Python's list of the values. If I print this, I would get something visible like this. Let me show you. So again here I've gotten the previous data frame consisting of no column D, and after that we've got the data frame consisting of the column D. Isn't this pretty simple? So from the above three methods, you could use any one based on your comfort levels. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the Akinon's YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.